and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a full face of Sephora makeup. So I have a bunch of Sephora stuff and I can't wait to get started with this video. So let's get started. So what I mean by full face of Sephora is the brand Sephora. So this is like our primer that I'm going to use in a minute. But the only thing I didn't get was the eye primer, so I'm using a Maybelline one. But let's get started. First I'm going with the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Ultra Soothing Primer. And it has a pump. And it's like clear. Oh, it just fell off. It fell off the front. So that's what it looks like. It's clear. Probably gonna need more. Yeah. It's like kind of oily. If that makes any sense. But look, it's clear. It makes my skin feel oily. Oh my god. It feels oily. Next, I'm going on to the foundation, and I'm using the Sephora Spray Foundation. Super scared. So I'm gonna spray on my sponge because I'm too scared to spray like that. So. Okay. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's cold and dark, and it smells like chemicals. Okay, after that I'm gonna go on with the concealer. Getting business. Okay, so it gives us a concealer and it's called Bright Future. Wait, Bright Future. I'm gonna put this where I usually put my concealer. Next, I'm going to set it with the powder, which is Sephora. And it's called Clear Light. And set your foundation. Next, eye primer. I already said it's Maybelline. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Pro palette. And I'm gonna go in with this color, and I'm gonna use this as a blending color. And these Sephora palettes really remind me of the Huda Beauty ones for some reason. Or Huda or Huda, I don't know. After that, I'm gonna go in with my other palette, which is the blue one. Here's the colors. And I'm gonna go in with the red. And then I'm gonna put that on the outer V. Next, I'm going to go in with this down here. And I'm going to put that in the middle inner corner. Ooh, fall. That's what I have right now. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my brush. I'm gonna blend it out in the middle. Wait, blending two colors together. Okay, so that's the eye look. So mascara, I'm gonna be using the Sephora Length Plus Volume. So let's see if it works. Ooh, it does work. My eyelashes are longer. So the mascara does work. Ooh, I'm gonna keep this. Next, I'm gonna do eyeliner. So here's what it is. I'm gonna do some brown on my waterline. So there's my eyelines. And then now I'm gonna blush. Spray blush. The color is in Rose Without Thorns. That's good. I'm done. I like it. I'm gonna put more though. It's dripping. You already didn't need a lot for it to actually show. That's cold. So I'll lift the foundation chemically. Next is the bronzer from Sephora. Ooh, it smells like chocolate. Next, highlighter, I'm using Golden Hour. It doesn't really show up on your skin, except your fingers. Next is lips. I'm going to be using this Sephora one in 13. So I'll be right back with my eyelash. So here's the completed look. I think this would be a good Valentine's Day look. I really like it. Yes, there is glitter all over my face, and I like my eyelashes. But there is glitter all over my face, so if you're gonna do this, I would do the eyes first and then the foundation and everything. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cover 12. Bye!